guys, what's up? This is Sylvia, owner of the Salsa with Sylvia Dance Studio. It's a little choreo to a specific song, double turns, fitting double turns into choreography. So I'm gonna walk you through this. Come with me, let's dance. So we start with a little walk, and this is on ladies' timing. So we go forward, 1, 3, 5, 7. From here, so we go 1, 3, 5, 7. Give me some shoulders here, some hips. So we go 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, from here, 1, 3, 5, 7. On that 7, we also drop down. And from here, we have a little sexy move. That left hand is on the hips and the right hand is behind your head. So we go forward, side, back, side. 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, drop. 1, side, back, side, together. From here, basic step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, prep for double. So we step, lock, double turn. From here, we have a basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're gonna walk backwards and cross behind. At the same time, we're gonna lift the arm and do some styling. So we go 1, 3, 5, 7. From here, we go 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7. So the arms, the upper body is going counter to the legs. So for this move, specifically going back, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna put a little arm styling here. 5, 6, 7. Basic step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One side step. Susie, Susie, Susie. And prep. Double turn and boom. That's your little choreo. And it's meant to match the beats of the music. So sometimes the counts don't make that much sense, because when we choreograph, when we dance to specific piece of music, sometimes we have to cheat a little bit so that our movement matches the music. 5, 6, 7, and walk, 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 walk. Side, 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 side. And elbow, 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 elbow drop. Forward, side, back, side. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Double turn, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk backwards, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, and 3. Counter, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Right turn, 7. And 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7. Basic step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7, and prep, 2, 3, 5, 7, and boom. And you'll see how this matches with the music.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. You come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, open the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out more videos. I'm giving you guys tips about how to partner dance during COVID-19. So please check out those videos. Sign up for our online classes. They start at just $5 a class. Please support the studio. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys next time. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much.